zig, zag lines.
Color the picture. Trace the triangles. My mother. Mother. My mother is very dear to me. She loves me a lot. We should always respect her. My father. Father.
A father is like our best friend. He looks after the family and takes care of everything. We must respect our father.
Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Dip your hand inside a thick paste of the watercolor and place it over the paper to form the wings of peacock.
Material required. Paint color. Green, yellow, blue.
This is how a right curve looks like. My brother, sister, cousins. Sister, brother. Brothers, sisters, and cousins are very special to us. We grow up together. We must share and help each other.
Letter F. Fox. Fan. Fish. Fire.
Introduction of number 2. I went to a farm one day. I heard 2 horses say neigh. Neigh, neigh. Trace over the dotted number with your finger or crayon. Say 2 aloud. 2, 2.
Grandfather and grandmother. Grandfather. Grandmother.
Grandparents are very caring and loving. They play with us and tell us wonderful stories. We must respect and help our grandparents.